Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to unsend a message that you have sent in a direct message to someone on the Instagram.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the messages button in the left side column of the screen. Select the user to whom you have forwarded a message. If you want to unsend it, tap on the three dots button next to the post or picture that you have sent or your message, and click on the unsend button, which is the third one. Tap on unsend. As you can see, unsending will remove the message for everyone. However, people or your recipient may have seen it already. So tap on the unsend button, and as you can see, it will be deleted. You can do the same with the message, and here you can see that it has been removed and it disappears from the section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.